In this video, I want to demonstrate how to explode this socket head cap screw and this component normal to the axis of the screw. So I've started an exploded view, and next I want to zoom in here. I'm going to choose this component and my socket head cap screw. Now the axes are currently aligned with the assembly axis, and none of those will give a nice explosion. So next, I'm going to move my mouse over the little white ball here at the center and right click, and I'm going to tell it to align with component origin. And we can see how the axes have realigned. Now I can grab the arrow I want and move it normal so it looks proper, like it's exploding normal to that hole. And I'll just keep positioning it until it can be seen clearly and doesn't overlap any other part. And I'll say done. So I'll do that one more time. I'll zoom in here. This time I'll just select the socket head cap screw, right click on the white ball, tell it to align with component origin, and again drag it out so it's visible, and add a standard unit and say done. So now I'll fit that to the screen. I need to do that one more time for these two components.